Live in Noardewyn dus, meisje treien. Het verhaal van wat hij eigenlijk wennet. Het eiland daar in Canada voor de kust. Al het jaren in Noardewyn.
Islanders, islanders, right to the bone. How could we wander so far from our home? With our true love beside us, we are kissed by the sea. Islanders we'll always be. We are vagabond minstrels, seekers of fame. We have been around the world and we have come back again. We have taken our bows, we have basked in the glory and made our way home to the sea. Oh, the ancient old forest hangs in the mist. If we cut her to pieces, she'll surely be missed. It's the soul of a poet and the heart of a sailor who will save her for you and for me. Islanders, islanders, right to the bone. How could we wander so far from our home? With our true love beside us, we are kissed by the sea. Islanders we'll always be. And now sometimes a wind, like the wail of a banshee, like a howling nor'wester, she'll pound at your door. Safe as the harbor, as sweet as the anchor, I'll never go sailing no more. At least not too far from the shore. Islanders, islanders, right to the bone. How could we wander so far from our home? With our true love beside us, we are kissed by the sea. Islanders we'll always be. Here we go. Islanders, islanders, right to the bone. How could we wander so far from our home? With our true love beside us, we are kissed by the sea. Islanders we'll always be. Islanders we'll always be. True islanders we'll always be. Oh, gee.